Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm at the top, and where we left off was, I saw what I did wrong. Apparently, I just had to walk up these pipes. Not sure who puts pipes like this, but that tower is really weird looking. I wonder what that is. It's a service tower for cell phones. Next level. Yay! New suit, new suit. The sexy suit. Oh yeah. That is hot. Very hot. Okay, so I can't really see what I'm doing. Yup, I suspected that was a gap. Whee! I'll try this approach. In case you guys are on level 10, there's something I have to tell you about it, but I'm not going to spoil it. All I will say is that it's not as long as you think it is to get to the end. Because there is one part that has you going around in a big circle, and really, you don't have to go that way. I said, where do I go? Where do I go? Okay, so... leap of faith! Okay, I made it. Okay, I got up there. Okay, this is a very tiny air conditioning. Well, an air conditioner I have to get on top of. This air conditioner is really small. I don't know who has the sense to jump on them. Okay, that's not that bad. First, gotta get on top of those tanks. Okay. Doop. Woo. Yay! Right, next one. Oh, my butt. I think we might actually get to level 10 today. And I really wish I could hear the music on level 10, but it'll be fine. Cause I'm actually kind of glad that the music isn't working, because I might get subjected to copyright because of the stupid guidelines YouTube has now. Yeah, I think if I remember, I'll leave the link to Crazy Games in the description. You can just type up Parkour Go and you'll be able to play it. But only if you guys have a computer that has Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox. Other ones won't work. But actually, I think this only works for Firefox and Chrome. Oh shoot, went too far. Ooh, no. That's too close, too close. too close to the end. Damn, this girl looks so hot in that outfit. She reminds me of those, of that, girl from, Hawaii Five-0. I don't think you watch that show, but if you guys do, it's pretty good. No, what is this thing doing? I don't know what happened there, but that was a minor setback, so... And that was only a minor setback, because at least I didn't fall off the world, and this level doesn't tilt me as much, makes me tilted as much as the last level did. Wait, no, what level are we on? Let me check. Oh, we're on level 9. Ugh. This part again. Da, 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 da. Gosh, I need to see a chiropractor because my neck is so sore. I need a chiropractor. Finally, I can get underway. Gosh. Get underway, oh my god. Okay, I think I'm getting close to the beam. Yep, the beam's right here. And for the next gameplay series, we're going to be doing this game called Bomb Runner. And it's not on Crazy Game, so it's in level 10. Okay, so it would have you doing all that all the way up there, but you don't have to do that really. So what you do is this. I'm gonna show you guys the secret way. But answer me this: how would you do this if the thing is all the way over there? That's because that's not the way to go. I tricked you. Alright, so what you do is you have to come up here. You gotta turn around. I'm about here. And then you have to walk along the fence and jump onto here. And you gotta keep going. Okay, I'm already at the top. And then there is the one over there you have to get to. So I gotta build some momentum. Wait, I think there was one level where the end of the level was actually on a crane. But I'm not sure which one that is. So I gotta look down, make sure I know how far I can go. No! Well, actually, that's not big. That's not big of a deal, cause really, I don't have to start all over again. Well, I mean, I do, but I don't have to do a lot. Okay, now I have a little bit more to do. Here we go. Oh, I was over too far. I wasn't far enough over. Okay, anyway, enough talk. I need to concentrate. Alright, I am here. And here's where I can make that jump. So here we go! Ooh, I think this was on the last level before I fell into the void. Okay, I'm at the top, and so you have to walk along this crane right here in order to get to where you want to go. Come on, wee! See, that's how you do Parkour Go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.